Yo, what's up, guys? Today, well, it's the same day I uploaded my first video, and we're going to be destroying the last game, Ragdoll engine. So we're going to inject Proto Smasher, and there we go. Proto Smasher. Press insert. Uh, okay. Alright, let's see. So there's no one else using this GUI. I really love this GUI. I know it's kind of like a rare GUI. Not super powerful, but I like it. It's just fine for me. So let's make this. Let's see. And I'm pretty sure I don't know. Alright. Oh no, it's a slender. Goodbye. Another tall person. Nope. Uh, no. Yes, we're doing this. Come on, get out of my way. Alright. Let's see, dude, don't be a bully. So bully. This guy's a bully. Stop. Okay. Alright. What are you doing back here? You're gonna be dead in a few seconds. Alright. Ooh, it's Piggy. Bye. Come on, die. Die! Die, Sturgis. Come on, die already. Oh, never mind, this guy's not gonna die. Alright, let's see. Come on. Oh. We need to kill this bitch first. Alright. Oh no, it's the bitch from later. Alright. And let's see. Oh, you want a push fight? Why would you try? Why would you even try? And this guy's a bully! 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 Get wrecked, bully! 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 Oh shit, I forgot. I need this. Hold up. There we go. Now we can officially do this. Alright. Oh, it's the bully! It's the bully! You tall. Tall. Die. Oh. What a bitch. Better push her away. Oh. Why would you try? Why would you even try? Why would you try? Better push her away. Hey! You! Stop! Alright. CPR. Do you need CPR? Answer me down, woman. No. I've officially reached the lowest point of my life. Hey, where are you going? Nah, get back on the ground, woman. Alright, goodbye. Ah! 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 Oh no. Hey, better not bully. Better not bully. Alright. Get out of my way! I'm gonna swim. Someone's drowning! Everyone is drowning! Come on, everyone. Everyone, no. You can't drown on me, guys. No! Alright, let's not get sued, so we're gonna walk away and push this person. Dead. Yes. No. We play with the body. There we go. What the? Yeah. Yeah. I just said I was dead. No. Dummy. What the hell? I tried to push me, boy. What do you think? I am stronger than you. I can kill you. Look. Huang. Come on, die, Huang. Yeah, there we go. Oh, you're trying to push fight me, right? You're trying to push me over. Well, there you go. Oh my, that was cool, right? Come on! What's up, Alisa? Push rich people. That people vampire face is so disgusting. Oh my god! OMG! 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 Oh my gosh. I have candy in. Don't go to, alright people, don't go to people's vans. They say they have candy. Alright? I'm doing this for the video. Come on. Don't walk away from me. I said I have candy in my van. Don't walk away. Alright. Oh, what's happening over here? Oh, I hate this dance. Get out! Alright. Bro, go, guys, someone help. She's having a seizure. She's having a seizure. Someone help. She's having a seizure. Do CPR. Do CPR. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh! Oh, I hate these people with these new legs. Nah. Go back. Okay, you look so stupid, bro. Alright. You die like this person right here. Oh, fuck, you're trying to run from me. Nah, bitch. Nah, you too. And you. You can go. And, who else can we push today? And you! Oh my gosh! Wanna do it again? Wanna do it again? Goodbye. Alright. Let's teleport to this person. Swimming. Ha! Help. There you go. There you go. Just a quick thrust in that direction. Oh, it's that person there first. Oh no. You're gonna die. Woo! Oh, come on. That would have been good, honestly. That would have been good. But goodbye. Wow, I never pushed him. I wanted to do that. Sorry, but you can't because you're too weak. Come on, bro. Come on, I can push. There we go. Dude, how much does it take to? There we go. Finally, off the map. There we go. We're going to. Oh no! Hey, let's have a conversation. Alright. Good morning. Good morning. Don't walk away from me, bitch! Bitch! Don't walk away from me. Come on. Say something. Alright. Yay! She went off the map on the first try. What you trying to do, kid? Hey, kid, what you trying to do, huh? What you trying to do, huh? You not trying to do any funny, right? Huh? Huh? No. You not trying to do any of that shit, right? There we go. Oh, oops. Yo. Come on, piggy. Oh, never mind. There, you got exploded. Okay. Wanna, wanna fly off. Wanna fly off the map, bitch. Nope. We're gonna do it anyway. Yes, alright. You do. Ah! Alright, okay, hold on. Yoink. Let's go pool. Alright, pool. And then we're going to. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Why are you running from me, huh? She said, I. Huh? I'm gonna push you against the wall. I'm gonna slam you against the wall. Off. I'm not condone women beating. Women beating is a serious problem. And this person left me. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oops. Oh, dude, why is it so weak all of a sudden? Come on. There you go. Wait, hold up. Was that person like following me? Ah, dude, she's so lazy. She doesn't want to walk back in a virtual game. Bro, that is so funny. Alright. Today we're gonna fly. Welcome to Rape Airlines. We are commissioned by the International Violence Society or something. I don't know. Just die. You die too. Woo! She flew. Woo! She flew. She didn't fly, really. Ew! Die. Come on. Oh wow, everyone's flying. Alright. Let's go over here and check on the people. Oh no. Alright, so there is some people here, which means I can just go like this. Everyone would die. Hey, hello. Hello. Ah! I'm not allowing. What is my pain? Don't do that to people. What the? Oh. Why is this silly person just begging me? Uh, you. Yeah, right, let's see. What now? Oh, you want a push fight, huh? You think you can actually beat me? No. Oh, there we go. Alright, you can die too. And you too, yeah, because I push people with terrible outfits, paralyze my bones. Sure thing right here. Ooh, let's see if I get recognized to walk out with me. Alright. Come on, don't run from me. I just want to be your friend. Oh, that's a bad choice. Thanks. Oh, what the fuck? What's happening here? That looks disgusting. You did a front flip. I can. Watch me, watch me. Where the hell is it? There you go. So there's this one. And then there is. Which one? Which one? Which one? Come on. Every front foot. I struggle finding these. Woo! I did it. Fuck. Oh, this is gonna be cool. Alright. Now, I present what I'm gonna do. 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! And I missed the pool! Woo! I did that in midair. Let's go. Try to. Let's try that again, alright? So we're going to do a flip and so do a flip and that roll. Oh, what's this now? Let's go to Halo. I want to see what kind of person in Halo. Halo. Hey, idiot. I spelled idiot wrong. Come on. Oh, what the fuck? I'm having a seizure. Ugh. Fucking wrecked. Oh, what the fuck? No, that's made like a pig noise. Die. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? Dude, hello. Speak to me, damn woman. Fuck! Dude, this is like. Okay, let's go. There we go, yeah. Slender. Hey. Hey, fuck. Okay. Fuck, dude. I'm an. I'm an athlete. Who do you think you are? Come on, answer me, woman. Answer. Answer. Come on, answer. Look, you see that? I'm a girl that's gonna stay away. Hey, bro! No. Nope. Oh, yeah. And if you want to know, I'm not sure if the script is leaked, but I'm not gonna take my chances. Not cool, dude. Yeah, bro. I'm really cool. You can be as cool as me now if you have this hack. It's like a Roblox script download, roblox.com, something like that. And you can push everyone on the force of God. Like this. These people are so low. Those people went zoom. So did you. And you. And I went yeet. Zoom. Boom. Hey! How you doing, Ma? Hi, Ma. Ma, I'm recording a YouTube video. So they can hear you. Wait, what are you gonna say? What are you gonna say? Estaba escuchando un YouTube video que es your voice. What the heck? It looks like your voice. Really? Yeah. Oh, maybe the one I just uploaded because I just uploaded a YouTube video of my voice. Because I got this like. But you were describing that? Yeah. I got this new video editing, not video editing, video recording software. It records your screen and it has your audio, and there's even a setting where you can put like a little webcam, like so like they can see you while you're playing. And so like right now, they're not gonna see me, right? When I They're not. They don't see you. They don't see you. When I but they can hear you. They can hear you, right? Shut up. Okay, alright. Alright, after that quick intermission, we're gonna kill people. Yay! Ugh. Come on! I'm supposed to push people off the diving board. So you, and you. That's funny. Oh no. Yay! Bro, that was sick. And then you go over here, and then you go, yep. Wait, is my swimming? Okay. Second I thought my swimming animation was broken. Hey, you trying to push me, but you missed. You missed and he pushed the air. Oh, what's up, man? What's up, big boy? Alright, you die. You die too. Okay, I guess that's going to conclude this video because I have nothing else to say. And see ya.